Hello. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Have you got your Whoops. My teleprompter forgot his notepad. We've got a funny story today, and it's a really funny craft. That's okay. Yeah. You're gonna hold on to this. You're gonna hold the toilet. Oh dear. Okay. This is such a funny story today. We're gonna start with our
Poop story.
a poop story. We have a story today about poo. Who thinks poo is hilarious?
Me.
You do. Lots of children at preschool think poo is hilarious. And today's story is called What Do They Do With All the Poo from All the Animals at the Zoo? It's a long name for a story, isn't it?
Yeah.
And the person that wrote the book is named Anh Do.
Anh Do.
Yeah, he's a comedian. He's very funny.
But is he a human?
Yeah, he's a human. Now, today I am dressed up as a giraffe because I thought if we were reading a book about a zoo animal, it would be good to dress up like a zoo animal because that's lots of fun.
I just need to go wash my hands.
Oh, okay. Hi, Abby and Byron and Henry and Evelyn. Lucy's gone to wash her hands, so that's good. So while we're waiting, I'm going to show you some funny props that we made. Are you ready? It's a poo! Did you turn the tap off properly?
Yeah.
Did you dry your hands?
I'll make sure.
Doesn't look like you dried your hands. They're very wet. Dry your hands. Look, we have one. All right, sit here and you can hold these for me. 1 poo. Hold it. 2 poos. 3 poos. 4 poos. And
5.
5 poos. And what else do we have? What have you got over here? Pass me back those poos and you show them what else we've got. Turn it around. What is that?
Toilet.
A toilet! So we have 5 poos and a toilet. And we are going to sing a song.
Excuse me, Mom.
Yes, darling.
I want Granny and Granddad to watch.
Oh, they'll watch. They'll be watching in a minute. Okay, we have 5 poos and a toilet. So I thought we could sing. Do you want to hold the toilet for the song?
Poo, 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 poo,
There were 5 little poos went out one day over the hills and far away. Are you ready? 5 little poos went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother toilet said, you can be the mother toilet. What can the mother toilet say? Bring it over.
Poo, 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 poo.
Poo, 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 poo. But only 4 little poos came back. 4 little poos went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother toilet said, hold your toilet up.
Poo, 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 poo.
Hold it up so they can see it. Poo, 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 poo. Hold it like that. But only 3 little poos came back. 3 little poos went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother toilet said,
Poo, 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 poo.
but only 2 little poos came back. 2 little poos went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother toilet said,
Poo, 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 poo.
but only 1 little poo came back. 1 little poo went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother toilet said,
Poo, 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 poo.
but none of the 5 little poos came back. Hi, Nashi. Mother toilet went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother toilet said,
Poo, 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 poo.
Poo, 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 poo. And all of the 5 little poos came back. Hi, Frankie. Hi, Florence. Did you like that funny song about poo? We thought it was very funny.
And I like it.
You like it. I feel like we're going to be singing that all day long.
And it's stuck. And is it stuck in your head?
It's stuck in my hair. Is it stuck in your head? Not yet. It will be. What do they do with all the poo from all the animals at the zoo?
Giraffe, 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 daffy, daff. A chicken, a chicken, a chicken, wicken, wicken. A chicken, wicken, chicken, chicken, wicken.
Yeah. Okay. Can I read it now? That was a lovely song. What do they do with all the poo from all the animals at the zoo? By Anh Do. Can you see that? I can't see, so hopefully you guys can. What do they do with all the poo from all the animals at the zoo? The hippos, the tigers, the kangaroos? What do they do with all that poo? I wonder. Don't you wonder too? Yes, I do. Well, my brother told me the other day that big trucks come and take it away, and they mix it with all kinds of materials. And make it into children's breakfast cereals. Is that what you had for breakfast? Did you have that for your breakfast today? Ooh. But my sister said that's not right. She says they pick it up at night and they mix it in a big machine. Hi, Charlotte and Oliver. Can you see that big machine?
Which big machine?
This is the machine here, and there's all the poos going into it down the bottom. And make it into chocolate ice cream. Is that what chocolate ice cream's made out of?
No.
You sure?
No.
I say, what do they do with all the poo from all the animals at the zoo? The zebras, the camels and the elephants too? What do they do with all that poo? I wonder. Don't you wonder too? Yes, I do. Well, my Uncle Harry put his 2 cents in, and he told us with a cheeky grin they pick up all the animal droppings.
With poo.
All the animal droppings, that's another word for poo. And that's what you get on your pizza toppings. Oh no! Who had pizza for dinner? Did you have this on your pizza? Did you have this on your pizza? Oh dear. Look, there's even flies buzzing around that pizza because flies love poo. But my dad reckons everybody's wrong. He says that once all the people are gone, they scoop it up in special trolleys and sell it to the companies that make all the children's lollies. Is that what they're made out of? Lollies. I say, what do they do with all the poo from all the animals at the zoo? The penguins, giraffes and the pandas too? What do they do with all that poo? What do they do with all the poo?
They put it in the plants because poo helps plants grow.
Yeah, you're right. Maybe that's what they do. Poo does help plants grow. Do they squash it in a giant keg and mould it into Easter eggs? Do they?
No.
Is that what your Easter eggs are going to be made out of?
No.
Do they stir it in a swimming pool and sell it as soup at the local school? Is that what you have for lunch at school?
No. And guess what?
Do
She's
they-
gonna dive in there.
Oh no. Do they gather it up with garden rakes and bake it into a bunch of birthday cakes? Is that what they do? Hi Alice, Daisy and Nanny. I wonder. Don't you wonder too? Yes, they do. Yes, I do. I say, what do they do with all the animals at the zoo? I wonder. Ah, you know, don't you? The monkey knows. He's whispering it.
Why?
Ew! What do they do? It doesn't tell us. We just have to imagine it ourselves. What do you think they do with all the poo? If you think about all the animals at the zoo, that's a lot of poo.
Again. Do the story again.
It is a good story. You and I might read it later. I thought, we'll put that down there.
I like the story bit.
I thought that I would show you how to make your own little poo. And then I'm going to show you a game that we can use this poo for.
Can I color in the poo?
Yeah, but not right now. So you will need a piece of paper, and I've just got a scrap piece of paper that was left over, and a texter. And
It's a
I'm going
texter.
to draw it, and then I'm going to post a photo of it later so you can draw your own, so that, because it's a bit hard for me to explain it sitting down. So I'm going to draw my poo.
It's my poo. Could be my poo.
Could be your poo. And then after, I'm going to put up some instructions on how to draw your own poo. Oops, forgot about his eyes. Alright, here's my poo. Can you see him? He's a happy poo. Look at that big smile.
Mummy.
And you can colour him in, and you can colour it whatever you want. You could have a brown poo, or you could have a rainbow unicorn poo.
Rainbow unicorn.
Yep, that's a good one. Okay, and once you make your poo, now we made 5 poos for our song. But once you make your poos, you can make as many as you like. And then you can play a funny game. Do you want to go over and show them our funny game? Our game is called Pin the Poop in the Toilet. And it's just like Pin the Tail on the Donkey, except it's not a donkey or a tail. Just a minute, please. It's about pinning your poops in the toilet. So this is a fun game for everybody in your family to play. Can I have this for a second?
that.
Okay, I'm going to put some blue tack on the back, and that will help it stick to the paper. And you need a blindfold. Can I help you with that there? Come a bit closer for me. Okay, so we've got a blindfold. Lucy had a mask, but I put some paper in there so she can't see.
But when will it be not the mask again?
After the video, I'll take the paper out and you can use it as a mask. So I'm going to give Lucy the poo, and she's going to hold it. Hang on, and we're going to spin around 3 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Now she's going to walk forward, walk forward, walk forward. I think I'm going to have to help here. Actually, no, can't. There you go, walk forward. All right. Now pin the poop on the toilet. And make sure you press on the... No, don't cheat. You got to push it on. Good job. Push the blue tack on. Take off your mask. Oh, Lucy put it on the lid of the toilet.
Let's have another go.
You want to have one more go? Okay, here you go. No, leave it there. That's funny. And then the person who gets the poop closest, don't cheat. You got to turn around, you little cheater. Turn around. 1, 2, 3. Okay, walk forward. Don't pull that up. The person gets the poo closest to the toilet. Oh, good job! Is the winner. So if you can make as many poos as you like, come here and I'll help you. Maybe one for stop, I'll help you. One for every person in your house, and then you can play it all together, which is perfect for a rainy day. Hi, Huddy and Eva.
We're doing a funny story.
We've already read it, but you can watch the video back again. So I'm going to show you in the comments how
Don't say that.
Oh, we can say it. We just don't want to say it all day long. How to draw a toilet and how to draw your very own poop. And then you will be able to play pin the poop in the toilet today at your home. And I think that's all for us. I think tomorrow we're going to have a break, so we're not going to have a video tomorrow, but we will have one again on Monday. And so if you have any... Lucy, come over here for a sec. Come and sit next to me. Come, they can't see you there. If you have any stories that you might want me to read or any interests that you want me to follow up on, let me know.
I've got a perfect
Can you
song
sit down, please? Because no one can see you when you go over there.
Mummy?
Yes, Lucy.
I've got a perfect song. It's called Pin the Poo. Pin the Poo. Wash the pin the poo.
Great song. Excellent.
Wash your poo.
Oh, wash your poop.
Wash your poo.
Oh no! Don't wash your poop. Don't touch your poop. Okay, that's enough. If you have any books or anything you would like me to... Oh no, not to the ice cream shop. Let me know and I will try my best. I am trying to get the story for Abby, Byron and Henry about the frog in the toilet. I'm trying to get that, so I'm trying my best to find a copy of it. Hello, Scott. We will see you on Monday with another story and another craft. Bye, everyone.